Hey YouTube, it's Shelly
and Andy.
And today on Cruise Wise Andy, Cruise Wise Wednesday, we're gonna do
today is Thursday.
I know, but it's gonna get posted on Wednesday.
Oops.
It's gonna get posted on Wednesday.
My bad.
15 things you'll regret not doing on a cruise, and we just want to see if it's true or not. Okay. So Andy's gonna start us off, and we're gonna see if we've done them, and let us know if you've done them. If you have, let us know, and if you are gonna regret if you don't do it. But anyway, Andy can start.
Okay, so number one is watching the sunset. The number one must-do activity on a cruise ship is to stand by the railing, friend or loved one by your side, and watch the sunset over the seemingly endless ocean.
You're in college. That's plagiarizing.
Oh, my bad. Okay, basically, I've never watched the sunset, but I've seen the sun come up, and I have a picture of it in my phone.
Oh, you did? When did you get out the bed?
On the last day when we were on the sunshine. And I have a picture of it.
Oh, when we had to get off.
And we had to get up. It was like 6:30 in the morning. We woke up, and I made them turn the lights off so I could take a picture of the sunset because it looked really nice. Yeah. Sunrise. But no, I haven't seen the sunset because I'm never outside. I don't think I'm gonna regret not seeing the sunset.
Well, it's nice. We did on the Magic and got a picture. There was a ship off to the, and it just happened to be, the sun was setting.
When we're all on a cruise, we're always doing something when the sun is going down. But
I think on Cozumel, when we left Cozumel, we did it. It was the sun was going down. But yeah,
must have been something going on. Yeah.
When we was on the Vista, it was already dark when we
Oh, I know.
Yeah, that was nice. Okay, so yeah, watching the sunset outside, having a drink, is a must. The next one, dining outside. That's another one. Yeah, that's a must do. I wouldn't say you regret it, but if it's nice and hot outside, the wind's not blowing real hard, you can watch a movie. Yeah, it's not humid. You can watch a movie. You can get your food from the Lido. If you go to one of the early movies, you can take it outside and watch.
Speaking of dining outside, when we watched the night movie on the Vista, and it was packed because they were showing Black Panther, and everybody was out there and knocked out. Yeah. And I was trying not to fall asleep. I was like, I'm about to go to bed. It was kind of late. I think it was like a late night movie anyways. But the Lido deck was packed, and everybody was just knocked out on their chairs. So if it's nice outside, you're just going to be relaxing.
Yeah. Yep. So that's a yay for you?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I like being outside anyway, especially when it's cool outside. Catch me outside on the porch.
Catch me outside.
Okay, number 3 is posing for photos. Yes, absolutely. Because I'm very photogenic, so I'm down for a picture. Oh my God. I'll take individual pictures, take group pictures. And there's different scenery on the ship, so there's nice backgrounds.
Yeah, you don't always have to get the package either. So, yeah, they have some nice backgrounds. Like she said,
make sure you don't take pictures of your pictures on the boat, cause
they gonna bust you.
Right. And if they have like different nights, they'll have backgrounds because she took a picture in front of the 80s background on 80s night, which was kind of cool.
Yeah, you should have jumped in and took one.
Oh, I know. And you might regret not taking pictures because you need something to, have memories of your trip. So,
yeah. Next is ordering a fruity umbrella drink. Well, you might get the fruity, but you won't get no more umbrellas. And
I know. I just noticed they don't do that no more.
Yep, no more umbrellas, and you're gonna get a chocolate or vanilla or lime straw because they use those sugar straws. So, yeah, but you will regret, you could try it once, enjoy that moment when you're out there on the Lido, if it's quiet with your little fruity drink in the middle of the day.
If you're not a fast drinker, then your straw will start melting, so.
Yeah.
That's the only downfall of having an edible drink, because it gets flimsy and stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, edible straw.
Yep.
So next one is sleeping in. I think you should be able to sleep in if you don't have anything planned. But if you have FOMO, then you might want to get up, get your day started so you can get started. Because all the good activities happen.
What's FOMO?
Fear of missing out.
Oh.
When you have daytime, when you have all the good stuff happens when you want to sleep in, so they make you get up to go do stuff.
Yeah, and she can sleep in. She can stay up late and then sleep in.
But I don't sleep all day because I don't like wasting the daytime. I'll get up at like 9 or 10 o'clock. That's sleeping in for me. Maybe 11 o'clock if I'm tired. But I don't sleep until the afternoon.
What's 11 o'clock?
11 a.m. That's daytime. That's bad. That's why I try to wake up at like 9 or 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
She doesn't sleep in though.
Sometimes I'll try.
Like on our cruise, she left me in the room when I came back.
Yeah, it's nice to go out there, get yourself a cup of coffee, go out on Lido deck, and or get yourself a burrito when it's not packed, and then you just can either eat it out there or you come back to your room, and chill.
Yeah,
but it's quiet. So yeah, that'll be a regret.
Sleeping in?
Is it regret? Yeah, I mean,
when I was reading it says you should be able to, because you're on vacation, so you should be able to sleep in one day, even if it's 8:30, 9 o'clock.
Yeah, once you get to do stuff, sleep in. Trivia is trivia, once you get a ship on a stick, so it's alright. But yeah, it's fun to just chill.
And the only time you're not gonna regret sleeping in is if it's a port day. You need to be up because you have a certain time you have to be out there anyways, and then you have excursions, so you can't sleep in on a port day unless you have nothing planned or you don't want to get off the boat.
Yeah.
Okay.
The next one is talking to strangers. Yeah, I say it depends on, even if you're an introvert, just if you're standing in line and somebody's having a conversation, you don't want to really butt in, but just strike up a conversation, because sometimes they always say, well, you're not gonna know, you won't see those people. Sometimes you will, and you might see them on another cruise. Y'all might become cruise buddies, so yeah, talk to a stranger.
And it seems that if you talk to somebody, you start seeing them more.
Yeah,
because y'all are on the same ship for the next 5, 6, 7, 8 days. So I think it's nice to talk to people. You can make lifelong friends like we did.
Yep. Yepper.
Okay, the next one says stargazing. I've never heard of people stargazing on a boat before. I've been outside at night, but I don't look at the stars or anything. I'm mostly looking at the water and looking to see what's out there.
Well, you should try it now that you're old enough to go on Serenity. Go up there and just look up and,
look at the sky. I don't think you're going to regret not doing it. Maybe if, that's your type of scenery, but.
Yeah. Because Andy has, what did you say?
FOMO. I like if it's good, fun stuff going on, best believe I'm going to be at that function because I don't like missing out on the fun stuff.
Right.
I can hang, so. I can. I've never left anywhere early unless it's not jumping. If it's not, popping or anything, skedaddling, I'm out.
Yeah, that's true. She does. That's me?
Yeah.
Oh, mine is living it up. And yeah, you join the contest or whatever. I don't think I've ever gotten any contests.
You said y'all did the Mardi Gras thing.
Oh yeah, we did do that. We won Mardi Gras one of those cruises. But just join in one of the things that they have, like the game shows or whatever one of those deck parties or deck challenges, whatever they have a lot that that you could do. So just join in, and you don't have to be drinking to do it. I like watching people and laughing. So
yeah, that hairy chest contest on this past cruise was funny.
Yeah, the sunshine. Yeah, the sunshine. This past cruise, there was a New Year's one. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So going back to the strangers one, we remember, you know how like the crew people can be strangers, and then we see them, we talk to them and stuff. That's a good way to not, you know.
Right, meeting. Because Bubba and them have seen people, you know, like from Camp Carnival,
Camp Ocean,
Camp Ocean. And when they first went cruising, and they remember them, for, you know, when we were on the Vista. So yeah, the crew, yeah.
The next one is trying new food. I don't. That's not for me, but if you like to try new things, then you can. Some people might regret it if you like to try new stuff.
Yeah, I can't remember what they're called anymore.
Did you?
Yeah, it's called. It used to be called Did You? If it's still called Did You, I guess.
Oh, it was like something like Have You Tried or something like that.
Yeah, they got the little
they have like stuff like frogs and snails and stuff like.
I've had it all. Alligator.
Yeah,
I'll try it. You know, just to.
Now, if you're going like out somewhere to another country, then yeah, I'll try their food. That's something new to me.
Yeah. Yep. Because we had the St. Lucia one. We had a lot of new foods that we never tried.
I can't remember.
Like that bread. Remember it was a breadfruit or something. It was
that walk we did, right?
And then we stopped at that place and ate. Yeah.
Yeah.
There was different. Well, I mean, they had the same stuff like the chicken and the rice and stuff, but that breadfruit, I never had breadfruit.
Oh, you know what? I remember now. We went to this place. Yeah.
I
remember now. Your turn.
Dressing up. And yeah, you'll regret because to me, you know, yeah, you go on a cruise to relax and stuff like that. But like on Elegant Night, you know, I think there was 2 nights or 2 times we didn't dress up and we kind of felt out of place. Like
yeah, because we normally dress up on every single formal night. So when the first formal night came before New Year's Eve, we felt like we should have dressed up.
Right, you know, yeah. That one time me and Thomas did it, you know, we relaxed. We were like, we're not going to, because we did.
Y'all didn't do formal night?
One of the nights we didn't. The other one we did because we went to the steakhouse. So we just, you know, we just didn't do it. But yeah, you'll regret not dressing up.
And then sometimes on formal night, people will still have on sundresses, but they'll dress it up and make it look cute. So, you know, you don't have to get top-notch heels and stuff. I learned that the hard way. I'm still going to have my heels on. But.
Next.
Okay, the next one is souvenir shopping. Yeah, you're going to regret this because if you like to collect, you never know when you're going to go back to this place again. So it's good to have collectibles to like look back on, or if you want to bring some for your friends and family, co-workers, stuff like that.
Yeah, and don't go buying no junk or, you know, like these little straw markets. It's a souvenir,
something that you're going to put up so people can see and stuff.
Yeah, it doesn't have to really be memorable. You can do like a postcard, stuff like that.
Send yourself a postcard.
Yeah, well, we won't get them.
What do you mean?
That one we sent off that one time we never got.
Really?
But we just didn't mail the other ones off. We wrote it down and just kept it.
Oh.
But yeah, some people like to write what happened, what they did on that day, and then mail it back to themselves. So, but then they can look back on those. But yeah, souvenirs.
Only souvenirs I get are shot glasses.
T-shirts.
And t-shirts. Yeah, I have a whole t-shirt drawer full of travel t-shirts. So yeah.
Watching Sail Away. And it's just, there's something cool about magical and watching a cruise ship pull away. Yeah, I'm not going to plagiarize. But no, yeah, we will do that. Because you might see a pier runner or 2. But
I seen a pier runner one time.
Yeah, that one time when everybody was cheering,
all those kids. Yeah, it was like 2 kids and the mom. They picked them up on the golf cart and took them down to the gangway.
So if you have a lot of ships in port, and we will have a lot of ships in port when we go to Cozumel, you know, just if you get back to ship early, which, you know, you
Cozumel?
need to be. Yeah, Cozumel.
There's a lot of ships there?
Y'all won't be on that one.
Yeah, I just went one time. I don't remember there being a bunch of ships there.
Oh, that's the one where I think we had the pier runners. We saw
that might have been that day.
That was on when we was on that Glory, I think.
Oh.
But, yeah, it's neat just watching them pull out and then sail off. And then y'all, you know, right behind them.
I'm never going to be a pier runner. I pay attention to the time. I set a time when I'm going to be back, so.
Yeah, well, if we hang with Thomas, we might end up being pier runners.
Okay, number 13 is splurging a little. I don't know. You splurge when you book the cruise, so I guess you being on the cruise is a splurge in itself. So, if you want to go all out, you can, but I don't think you're going to regret not splurging. Now, if you go do like fancy excursions, like helicopter rides or deep sea diving and stuff,
Yeah.
that's splurging.
Yeah, and I'm not going to do either or.
You want to go on a helicopter?
Not when I'm overseas.
We parasailed before. That's
Yeah.
splurging.
Yeah, I'll parasail.
I didn't think I would parasail, and that's high.
Yeah.
So,
That was fun.
Yeah.
Next, washing your hands. Yeah, that sanitizer is sanitizer, and alcohol doesn't kill everything, and the aloe may make your hands soft, but, washing your hands, they've made it fun with the kids by, with the new hand washing.
I like using the new hand washing sink. It does it for you. You just put them in there. And it's like.
Yep, and the newer ones have the blowers.
Oh, it has sanitizer mixed in that water.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's not soap. It's sanitizer.
Oh,
it's like sanitizer and warm water, and then you take your hands out.
Well, you don't want to come home sick. So a lot of people talk about how they get sick on a cruise. No, it's probably because you caught something while on a cruise, but it didn't show the symptoms till you got home. But yeah, you'll regret not washing your hands because you'll be sick.
Sometimes that goes on, like I think about that in my head, people are just touching the rails and stuff, and then I'm like, ugh, so many people are putting their hands here and stuff.
Yep.
And the last one is putting on sunscreen. Yes, you will regret not bringing sunscreen or putting on sunscreen because sunburn is terrible.
Yep.
It itches, it burns, it's just not comfortable.
Yep, you can burn your eyeballs, but you're not going to put sunscreen on it, but
I'm always have a pair of shades.
I learned that the hard way. I knew I burned, but when we was in Florida,
yes.
Yeah, that bad. One whole side, it was just done.
Their backs and stuff were burnt and stuff. I was like, ugh. I just get it really bad on my face.
Yeah. So I think that's it.
It was a pretty good list. Pretty straightforward, general.
Yeah, so a lot of this stuff is, you'll regret not doing it. If you go on a cruise, to chillax and all that stuff, then or if you've been on like a lot of cruises, then you don't want to, do some of this stuff, and you'll be like, oh, I know they're doing this, so I'm gonna go do that. It was, that type of thing. But, other than that, a lot of those are, you'll regret. That's what I, think. What about you?
I agree. You can comment down below if some stuff that we missed that wasn't on this list. Cause I'm pretty sure it's more stuff that other people do that other people might regret doing or not doing.
Yeah. Stay tuned for our New Year's videos. They should be popping up, any day, but it was on the Sunshine. It was packed. It was nice.
It was lit.
Yes, it was with Mikey.
Yes.
So, he was another one.
Another standout.
Yeah. So, till then, see you when we see y'all. Peace.